Buenos días todos. Hoy es... ¿qué día es hoy? Hoy es martes, el 12 de mayo. Entonces, solo tenemos dos lecciones de español, solo dos más, y es el fin del semestre. All right, good morning, guys. I had a little brain fart there. Forgot what day it was. It's Tuesday, May 12th, and we only have two lessons left. This one and another one before you get the chance to get caught up on all your work and get it completely done. Or you may be caught up, and that's good news for you. All right, so let's go over what we're doing today. So we've been learning our 3B vocabulary about places around your neighborhood, parts of a car as well. And so do your vocabulary practice for 5 minutes to get going. And then you're going to do this workbook activity. And so I want you to pay attention. I'm going to go over this for you because it says, hint, if you need help understanding what you are to do in this activity, then watch the lesson overview video. Because not everybody's been watching it. Amazing. All right, so opening it up, and it says, mira el dibujo. Look at the picture. Okay, imagina que estás en el supermercado grande. So you're going to imagine that you're here. Escribe en qué dirección tienes que caminar para llegar a los siguientes lugares. So write in what direction you have to walk in order to get to the following places. So these are the places right here. Floreria Ramos, the Ramos Flower Shop, Banco Central, the Central Bank, Heladeria Sabores, the Flavors Ice Cream Shop, Colegio Juarez High School, and Parque Miraflor, the Miraflor Park. So what do you have to do? All right, so here's an example. Oficina de Correos. Let me zoom a little bit. So we're here, and we need to get to here, the Oficina de Correos. All right, so it's north, norte, south is sur, east over here is este, and this is west is oeste. You need to know your directions for this. So they're saying camino una cuadra al norte, so walk one block to the north, y una al este, so and one to the east, and that's how you get to the post office. So you're going to start each sentence by saying I walk, camino. Una cuadra is one block, dos cuadras, 2 blocks, tres cuadras. I don't think you're going to go that far. And just say which direction. Norte, este, sur, oeste is west. All right, so maybe 3 blocks to the park. So Floreria Ramos is right here, the Ramos Flower Shop. You're here. Looks like you're going to go 1 block to the west. Camino una cuadra al oeste is how you would do that. And so that's what you would write here. Okay, so not too hard. All right, but make sure that you are paying attention to the number of blocks and everything and your direction. Write this down here using Notability and then submit it. Alrighty, so that's the vocabulary activity that you're doing. And then going back into the folder, we have a video lesson over making nosotros commands. Guys, nosotros commands are just like ustedes commands. You make them the same way. For the most part, there's no stem changing though. You put the verb in the yo form, take off the o, and then put the opposite nosotros ending, meaning if it's an AR verb, put the ER verb nosotros ending, hemos on it. So hablar becomes hablemos, and basically that means let's talk. Okay, comer, it's an ER verb, put the AR verb nosotros ending on it. Comamos, let's eat. Or escribir, IR verb, put the AR verb nosotros ending on it in the present tense. Escribamos, let's write. And then there's going to be some irregular ones. But watch this video lesson. I didn't do this. This is Senor Jordan, and he goes thoroughly through it. It's about a 7-minute video, but he goes over it very thoroughly. Okay, I figured I'd give you somebody else's voice besides mine to listen to, and he has examples on his video. All right, and then you're going to do this nosotros commands practice, which when you pop this open, let me show you. you can open up this conjugation chart, and it's going to show you like abrir is an IR verb. So put the AR nosotros ending on it to get the command form. Abramos, no abramos. It shows you with reflexive verbs, because since it's reflexive nosotros command, the se is going to become nos. Acostémonos, no nos acostemos, okay? Almorzar, almorcemos. Oh, it's a zar verb. We still have to know those rules. Cargar zar verbs still take effect in this form. Beber, bebamos, no bebamos. So it shows you the affirmative and negative forms here. So when you do that activity, you can look those up if you get a little confused on what to do. All right. So that's nosotros command, and that means let's, like let's eat, let's go. Okay, and so on. And then lesson reflection in your own words in English. Briefly explain how you form a nosotros command. So guys, you learned affirmative to commands, negative to commands, usted and ustedes commands, and now nosotros commands. All right. So you've seen the whole gamut of command forms in Spanish now. All right. So guys, let me know if you have any questions. Email me. And let me know if there's any questions, and let's get these things complete. I'll set it up where you get the task checklist complete, where you get the completion checklist so that you can get your grade for this. And just like I said, if you have any questions, let me know. Have a great week, and we'll hopefully talk to you guys soon.